So if you, this is kind of a spoiler alert. If you haven't seen Zootopia yet, please put this away. The funniest scene ever is they walk into the DMV and everybody working there is a sloth.
Actually, they actually recorded real sloths to decide how to do that video. So there's your sign. All right. So you're here with the National Real Estate Cafe. You never know what you're going to get, except great information and up-to-date information. And if we had our crystal ball, we're going to give you projections that have been 99% correct. So we're feeling pretty good, but it's just because we know the charts and we understand the charts and watch the charts just for you.
Yeah, and this chart that we're going to look at today is the one, probably our favorite. This has been the chart that's made us actually
look like
famous.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. We saw this, not this January, but last January, and said, boy, that's really interesting. Foot traffic is up, even though sales aren't up. I wonder if that results in great sales. Bang, it sure did. So this year, all the same.
So we're showing you that foot traffic is huge in February, and market orders are going to need a bigger chart for next month because we think foot traffic is going to be even higher in March. So we're just showing you that this year, if you watch our previous shows, you're going to know that we talked about 2016 could be one of the hottest real estate years since 2006.
And if you watch the Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance Show, which you can check out all of our shows at donandgino.com, you'll see that 2016 is already shaping up to be one of the best years in a decade.
There you go. Here's some more charts to back us up. Already, last year was not a bad year.
No.
And we're banging over last year already in January and February, which are not the hottest months of the year, and we're already shaping to be stronger than previous years.
Yeah, we talked about this year being a little bit better from the weather standpoint. Last year, the weather was really cold in the East Coast, and they had as Don likes to call it, the frozen tundra over there. So the East Coast is doing better than it has for a multitude of time. Really, the best it's done in many, many, many years.
True, true.
And that's helping because that helps the rest of the country feel confident when they see good numbers out of the East Coast. It's almost like, gosh, if people are buying there, we should just buy everywhere.
All right, so this next chart's going to tell you why you need to buy now and not just sit on your laurels. Boom. Buyer demand is 37% greater. Now, when supply and demand, so demand higher than supply, what does that equal, everyone?
Higher prices.
There you go, higher prices. So now it's the time to take action before it's too late. Yep, thank you, Furman.
Yep.
So bottom line is we know that we've showed you why. Foot traffic up, sales are up, demand is higher. It's time to take action. Don't just wait for the spring fling. It's time to get in now.
So you thought I was crazy with that sloth thing? At the end of the day, what I was saying is don't be the sloth. Take action. Move quickly. Do something now. If you would have listened to us 2 years ago, you put a lot of money in your pocket.
We're going to approve you. All right, you heard right here in the National Real Estate Cafe, Don Gatling and Gino Franti. Check us out at nrecafe.com.
Yeah, that thing.
Yeah. Or you can get these sent to your phone by texting NREC to number 58885. Thanks for joining us.